Hello guys, I am K. Welcome to Dream Developers. Today we are going to see how to use range and downTo function in Kotlin. If you have not seen the previous video, then simply check out our Kotlin programming series. So let's begin. The range function is used to print or generate the range. We can generate the range using two methods. Let's take an example. Well, R1 equal to 1 double dot 5. Here R1 contains the number 1 to 5 in sequence. We can also generate range using range function. So, well, R2 equal to 1 dot range 2 in the bracket we have to specify the endpoint. Both contain the same number. If we want to print the decreasing order, then we will use downTo function. So, well, R3 equal to 1 down to 5. Here, R3 contains 5 to 1 in a decreasing order. We can also skip the number by step keyword like well R4 equal to 1 dot range 2 in the bracket 5 space 2. Here R4 contains 1, 3 and 5. We can also generate alphabet like well str equal to in the single quote we have to define the starting point like a double dot and we have to also specify the end point. Here str contains a to z and at last well check equal to 1 in R1. So here we can check whether the value is present in variable or not using in operator. So variable check returns the true or false. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.